अपने ग्रुप्स में आपका डायनामिक ग्रुप गांधीनगर स्पोर्ट्स गांधीनगर बॉय
Later.
On behalf of Goa Police, I would really like to thank Earth Foundation for having us here and giving us an opportunity to minimize the gap between the children and the police. See, basically what happens, children often feel very scared of police, but this kind of events, it really helps us to connect us with them. So this kind of problems which we face, that is having problems with children, it gets minimized. So I would really like to thank ma'am for having us here and letting us participate in the program. Thank you.
I congratulate the Earth Foundation for this big gesture, big milestone of teaching the street children, how to do advocacy, to come out with their voices fearlessly, and also the helpline which they have developed will help the children in times of distress. I thank Juliana ma'am and Arun Pandya for this participation today. Thank you, sir.
Ours is very happy to celebrate this World Day Against Internet, a day where we are working towards safety of children. And we are happy that on this date we are able to release the magazine, second edition of the magazine Nanne Panne. This is a magazine where children of Murmugao Taluka from the different slum areas have voiced, have shared what they are going through. In our second edition, what is amazing is children have not only spoken about the problem, they've also spoken about the changes in the society in their slum area. So there's a very nice picture that we have in this magazine where the children are giving situation of before and after. So in the first edition, children had spoken about the situation of the toilet, where they raised up safety of the toilet spaces in Baina slum area. And in this magazine, second edition, we are very happy to see the changes. So we are seeing how children's voices are being taken care of in Murmugao Taluka, and we are happy the elected representatives have taken up this issue and are working towards the safety of the children. We've also given children, each children is getting a pouch which is stitched by the survivors of sex trafficking at WISH, Women Initiative for Self-Help, a program of ours. This pouch is very important because this pouch has all the helpline numbers that the children can contact when there is issue of safety, and these helpline numbers, email address, Instagram, WhatsApp numbers are given so that children can connect digitally, because this generation of children are living in the digital world. They can connect digitally when they are in need of crisis and in help. Thank you.